You will regret your whole life if you don't watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to tell you exactly how you can become profitable without trading binary options yourself and just copying me. So this is one of the account of my VIP copy trader who copies my 100% of the trade. See, I make $200 per trade in each trade. I don't do up and down. I just make $200 per trade in each trade, and you can copy my $200 per trade automatically in your account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. I'll show you that also, but let me explain you firstly on how you can become profitable by simply copying me and doing nothing else, and you can make profit while you are sleeping. Now here you can see this is the today's result. 3 trades were made and the total profit was $510 because the profitable trade were 100%. All 3 trades were profit. And let me show you yesterday's status. 86% profitable trade, 7 trades were made, $826 was the total profit. Now, all time means this VIP copy trader have joined my VIP copy trading channel like 17 or 18 days ago, and this is the result of 17-18 days. He doesn't trade himself. He have made $7,692 in almost 18 days. And let me show you the status of the daily trading result. Here you can see 3 trades were profitable. Here you can see 4 trades were profitable, and here you can see these are also profitable, but I cannot scroll below. Okay, and due to time difference, these both trade are showing here in the same time. That's why it is showing 7 trades at here and only 3 trades at here. Okay, now what I will do is I will reload this so that you can see this is all genuine and not some fake stuff. So I'm reloading this right now. Here you can see it is being reloaded, and let it load, and let me again click on these trades and let me show you here closed. See, everything is fine, right? So all of these are the genuine things. Now I can't reload this page because here is a UID which is used to copy my trades by my VIP copy trader. And if you want to copy my trades automatically in your account, then you need to join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video, also in the first comment below. You can join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. Now, what I did today is, before someday I have made this video on how one of my VIP copy trader was able to make 6,866 profit by copying my trade in profit option. Okay, and then I just shared this video link to my VIP copy trading channel. So this is my VIP copy trading channel, and I have like 298 people copying me automatically in the pocket option account, and all of them are profitable. So as you can see here, I have shared this video link at here, and I have told it is the right way to do copy trading setup. I have shown how to do copy trading setup in this video also. If you want to watch this video, then I'll put this video at anywhere at the screen in the end of this video. So keep on watching this video, and I have requested my VIP copy trader to put like this, I mean watch this video and put a nice comment and like. I've requested them since all of them are profitable, so they are going to put good comments, I know that. Okay, and here you can see I have posted that video in 5:59 a.m. 6 a.m. here you can see, and comment have started to arrive 21 minutes ago. Don't sit on the fence, people, and I am proof this man is the real deal. My account goes every day. Thank you, sir. There you can see other comment. Hi, will I need to set up? This is not another comment. It was before 19 hours ago, and here you can see 9 minutes ago. Trust me, guys, this is consistent profit. I can be the proof that Sir Pawan is a hero. I'm not a hero, just a trader. And you can see 100% profit. You are the best man. Profit every day. Okay, so this kind of comment have started to arrive, and more comment will arrive. I'm pretty confident because my VIP trader will support me, and I have told them that we can bring more people to help them make more profit by if they help me to put good comment at here. Now I'll quickly show you how this social trading feature works so that you can copy my trade automatically in your account. It is extremely simple. So let's close this and click on social trading, and then go and click on here and click on search. And once you join my VIP copy trading channel, then you'll get a UID like this. You just need to put that UID at here, and just my name will appear at here. Just click on that name. Once you do this much, then you'll see all the status at here, and you just need to click on this copy. Now, how much you want to copy? If you want to copy $200 per trade, then you can just leave 100%. In other place, you need to do nothing. Okay, leave it as it is, because I make $200 per trade with proper money management, so you don't need to take lots of tension for that. And if you want to copy $100 per trade, just make it 50%. And if you want to make $2, sorry, if you want to make $2 per trade, then simply type 2 at here. If you want to make, sorry, if you want to make $2 per trade, you need to do 1%, because 1% of $200 is $2. And if you want to make $4 per trade, then you can increase it to $2. If you want to make $20 per trade, just make 10%. In this way, you can do the setup and just click on confirm. So I don't suggest to use the stop balance, because when stop balance is being used, most people have complained, most VIP member have complained that they didn't copy all of my trades. So that's why I don't recommend to use stop balance. Instead, what you can do is, let's say you just want to risk $1,000 in my copy trading or $100 in my copy trading, then just put that much balance only at here. Remaining fund you just withdraw to your account, bank account, and just put that much balance and start to copy my trade. And you can just, once the setup is done, just click on confirm, and you will start to copy my trade automatically in your account. And all of those trades are most probably going to be this kind of profitable trades. Okay, I'll see you in my VIP copy trading channel. Bye bye.